Thank you for watching this video, and as always, hit the like button, share on social media, and smash that subscribe button. Thank you. Welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be making some banana nut muffins. Banana nut muffins are super quick, they're super easy. Me and my wife have found this recipe over 25 years ago. It's a great recipe, probably the best one ever. And it's super simple and super quick. So for that, we need a stand mixing bowl. We need a sifter. 1 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour. 1 cup of white sugar. A half teaspoon of salt. A half teaspoon of baking soda. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And then we need 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 2 eggs, half a cup of oil, half a cup of chopped pecans or walnuts if you wish, and then 1 cup of mashed banana. 1 cup is going to be equal to about 2 bananas. You don't want them all the way bright yellow. You want them kind of speckled. If they're completely brown, that's fine as well. So to start, we are going to look at pan preparation first. So I have a muffin pan. We have these little papers in there, and we're going to use a little bit of pan spray, non-stick spray. Pam will work, Baker's Joy will work as well. And so we're just going to put some papers in here. And we just spray the inside of the papers with this baking release. It's so that we don't have paper stuck to our muffins when we're trying to eat them for breakfast. So a little bit of spray. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. We're going to sift our dry ingredients. We'll start with the flour. Throw our sugar in there as well. The salt, baking soda, baking powder. Once all your dry is sifted, we move on to mashing up the banana and chopping up the pecans. So, 2 bananas. Okay, so now we have our bananas mashed up, our pecans chopped, our eggs cracked, our oil, and our vanilla. We have our sifted dry ingredients here. We're going to stir it around in our mixer, just like so. All right, so the first thing I want to add is my eggs. I'm going to do that one at a time. And then I like to add my vanilla after that. The bananas have liquid of their own, so if you don't see a lot of moisture in here, it's fine. So we're going to put our bananas in. And then our oil. We're going to let that mix up for just a little bit. And then the last thing we put in are our pecans or our walnuts, but we do pecans. And then that's it. Okay, so it's ready for the pecans. We dump the pecans all in at one time. And then we just kind of let it stir. And that's it. We're done inside the bowl. All right. So we're going to get all the delicious batter off the beater here. And what I like to do is use a rubber spatula and fold by hand a couple of times just to kind of get all the pecans evenly mixed in. All right. And then I use a small portion scoop, just like that, right into each little cup.